Very good morning, friend. Very good morning, friends. I am Nalakshi Swami. Welcome to my channel, Smart Index Edge. I have enabled my Nalini EMA indicator, which gives me the structure. What is the structure of the market? Whether it has lost its balance or whether it is trading. On a week basis, market has made higher high. See, you can see this high, high, high. After making this high, the market has to prove this. If you consider this as an entire swing from Thursday, Friday, and then Monday and Tuesday. There was no dip in the between. It was a minor dip here. Minor dip which happened here, and this is the on Wednesday it gapped down. And do you notice one thing? See, my indicator is plotting. This was the boundary for the week on 13th April. After 13th April, it has not yet plotted previous week low. The range is from here to here. There is no low at all. And within this levels, if I notice this is the swing low, major swing low. If I measure this is, let me pick it up, and it is 279 points. Let me bring this measured move to this. It comes to 24,308. Let me put a line over there. 24,208. Why I'm not able to put? Yeah. Yes. 24,308 to 311. That is 281 points. This is no more than that. 301. Then it comes to 24,293. Even if it comes to 24,293, this is the Monday's low. That is 24. Let me pick up the magnet and price note so that it becomes easy. This is Monday's low. No. Let me do it again. 24,241. And this one is Monday, right? This is Tuesday. Tuesday's low is 24,330. The very possibility is yesterday itself I made video. There is liquidity available beneath this. Suppose if the market slips below this, there is plenty of liquidity, static liquidity available in the market. And today there is every possibility market dipping down and reversing back. So initially opening bell, you can see the market. Then what happens, if it starts reversing back, it gives me the weekly levels. Weekly low will be shifted. This is the previous weekly low. Let me put enable current week low. current week low, let me take it out, and if I see that current week low is here, current week low is here, 24,239. That is Monday's low. Okay. So you will come to know this should not be breached. This is the very important thing. Monday's low. So market can dip down little bit in the opening bell, and then it may engulf. These are the counter. This is the counter where market has traded so much, and these are the stop losses and stop losses, static stop losses. Above this, there is a liquidity here, gap here, and market can do this. So very important level for today is current week low, that is 24,242. Market should not breach that. Market should not breach that and close below that. Then there is every possibility of market snapping back and crossing these levels and reaching to 24,500 odd. So friends, the pattern little bit they changed. On the previous week, the market started from here Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. This is Friday. Next Monday, it continued to the upside, just dipping down. So there was no deep correction Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today is Thursday. This week's low, current week low, should not be breached. And let me go back and apply so you will come to know that is current week low. Current week low will become, if it starts moving higher, if it doesn't become, it becomes previous week. So friends, today the very important levels are within this area. And let me apply the Nalini precision engine. If I apply the Nalini precision engine, go to the hourly, I'm going to hourly time frame. When I go to the hourly time frame, okay, let me take out layer 1 because too many lines will come. That is for especially for intraday references. So now disabled layer 1 and layer 2. Only we are on the purely on the this one. See here, neutral to positivity has come in this area. In this area, pivot. You can see there, pivot box is sitting in between the previous day high and previous day low. And previous day low has started up, and this is the pivot running over here. And the next pivot is, see, you can, here you can, let me take out the magnet. Let me put the line in because something has happened. So this is the pivot level. Exactly it comes to the 24,287, which was the measured down move here and measured down move. We can anticipate for 24,287 too. Still, even though the trend flipped for a while, here you can see the trend, it was running positive when market came down, dipped for a while, and then next day it was a rally. Here it is not, it is within the area, it is gapping down, within the area of current week low. Current week low should not be breached. That means Monday's low, this is the Monday's low. That is, you can see 24,241. As long as the market trades within this range and reverses back, there may be a sharp pullback in the market, can fill this gap. That is 24,571. From there, market has created the gap. So I anticipate positive direction of trading, and if the market doesn't breach current week low, that is 24,241, that is Monday's low, should not be breached. If it seeks, there is liquidity beneath this. Liquidity beneath this level, that is already admit that 24,318. For a while, if it breaches and snaps back, it sucks all the liquidity beneath this, and a sharp rally, short covering rally we can see in the market today. So have a positive bias and wait and see for the levels. Market should not close below 24,241, or it should not gap down below that level. Then you can anticipate for a positive movement and on the Nifty, even on the Sensex also. I'm not going for the Sensex analysis, just I'm showing it to you people on the Nifty. With the help of my two indicators, I can do that. And apart from that, I have created, if you know that, many people have taken my market memory POC. Market memory POC remembers value. I'm applying that, okay? And I'm disabling, just hiding my Nalini precision engine and applying market memory POC. Let me take out the drawings over here. This is the value area high, value area on weekly basis, point of control is over here, and the point of control on Wednesday was here. Which aligns with the market, aligns with this POC aligns here to the level of Monday's low. Let me make it as this one. Go to, let us see daily POC. If I put the daily POC, The value area high is here. That is around 24,225, and next day market value area lows are here. And present here in this area, market has come down below the value area low, point of control, and then next day it was a short covering rally. For today, the market has not breached this value area low. This is the candle which is last year, and if I zoom it, this is the market memory POC. So same thing I have a little bit made advanced so that it becomes easy. I'll show that indicator SVP through. This is also market memory POC in a very nice way. It gives me daily levels. This is the extra area. In this extra area, you can see the point of control on Friday is lying over here. Market for a while breached on Monday this level and closed inside. Though it closed inside, the direction it closed at the bottom. Now, the market may seek this level 24,272, and these are the value area high. Even this level, these are the two levels we can anticipate for the market. Only if the market breaches this point of control and closes below, then there is a threat, and this is current week low. So these are the levels in between. The first level is 24,241, 24,270, and 24,300. So watch these levels very keenly and take the trade. Take the trade immediately. You will come to know with the help of Nalini Precision Engine. You will get a door for entry. Door for entry, and then automatically guests will come and the momentum will pick up. So friends, thank you very much. I will trade with the positive bias unless 24,241 is not breached and closed. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.